Hello. Mga samba bikers ni siya, San Miguel Bikers Association. So, okay. Wala na yung kulang. Okay. So, watch out for a ride today. Good morning. Dinas, Zamboanga del Sur.
这一次我真的睡着了。Granary di Bataling. Very nice place po. Napakalaki, napaka-wide ng kanilang palayan. So papunta kami sa Bataling Poblacion. So ayan. Ayan po ang kanilang lugar. Napakalaki ng palayan. Sa kabila naman, ito naman sa kabilang portion. Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Bataling. There. With my sister and brothers, brother-in-law, and our pamangkins here. So, shout out kay Mayor Abel Rauda. Andito po kami sa inyo.
Yo, nandito po kami sa Bataling.
Yes. Okay.
Shout out sa...
Ayan. So, very nice
Mga
place.
taga Dimataling.
So, ayan. Oh.
Local bike.
Hi, say hi.
Hi. Good morning. Hi, vlog. Welcome to my guys. Hi. Pamahaw.
Shut down.
Shut down.
Hello. Oh, good morning, Dimataling. Wow, Dimataling.
Shout out to Dimataling.
Congratulations, Mayor Abel. Oh, kindly visit my channel of Duty Nurse sa YouTube po. We are promoting the banana chips from Dimataling, made with love by the Kalipi Dimataling. So, Mayor Abel, shout out ha. Nako dire, nami dire sa imong lugar. Good morning. Good morning, taga Dimataling. Very nice ang inyong product dire, no? So, fresh from Dimataling po. Banana chips.
Lami kayo.
Lami kayo. Modo ni sikreto sa biking. Makapakusog. So, pakusog sa tuhod. Banana chips. Good morning. So, wow, Dimataling. So, this is Dimataling now. They have the Bakayawan Sunset. The products of Zumbato, the Bakayawan Sandbar, the product of Zumbato, and the Mercedes Pulse. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for the banana chips. So, mo na ni ang Dimataling karon. Pizza! Very nice place. So, thank you for watching my vlog. Tayo sa commercial. Bagong tayong commercial center ng Dimataling, no? Napakaganda ng lugar nila. So, bago ang commercial center nila. Malinis din ang lugar. Yan. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapunta ng Dimataling, ito na po ang itsura ng Dimataling. Okay. Ito ang bagong bukas nilang commercial center. We are here finding